Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate simple recipe. Start by warming 1 cup milk gently in a saucepan, but do not boil it. Whisk 2 tablespoons cocoa, 2 tablespoons sugar, and a pinch of salt with a few tablespoons of warm milk to make a smooth paste before adding to the pan. Finish with 1 tsp vanilla and serve immediately for rich, cozy hot chocolate. Warm the milk slowly on medium-low so it never scorches and stays velvety. Whisk your cocoa paste into the steaming milk, stirring constantly for a creamy texture and even flavor. Taste and tweak sweetness by adding more sugar if needed, and stir in 1 tsp vanilla for extra warmth. For a richer drink, swap half the milk for cream or melt in a small square of chocolate. For tasty variations, mix half milk and half cream for extra richness or melt in dark chocolate for depth. Add a pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or chili to change the profile and pair toppings like whipped cream or marshmallows to elevate the experience. You can also stir in a shot of espresso for a mocha or use almond milk for a dairy-free option. Keep experimenting until you find your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.